Dinosaur Safari is an immersive, limited-time exhibit here at River Legacy Nature Center. And it's also created by Omaha Children's Museum. With this exhibit, this one is our biggest and best ever. This exhibit will take you on an adventure back into prehistoric past. At the same time, you're uncovering these wonderful things these creatures left behind for you to discover. Guests can expect to be able to immerse themselves as a paleontologist for a day. Children can have fun and dig sites uncovering fossils. They can take a virtual ride in the Jeep Safari and explore the jungle. Another one of my favorites is hearing and seeing the dinosaurs move. It's pretty cool. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Another great tie to this exhibit is that there are so many other sites, other dinosaurs that have been discovered in the last decade here in Arlington, and we can provide families a little bit of that to learn and explore with us what was once here and left behind by these creatures, and then to almost bring them to life so that they become real to our families and children to really discover, explore, and learn truly about these wonderful creatures.